Alrighty, welcome back everybody. How you guys doing today? Today, we're going to be talking about the Smoky Mountain waterfalls, or at least the ones that I've been to. Two of them are not in the Smoky Mountain waterfalls. They're in the Nantahala National Forest, but I still counted them because we were kind of just, like, it's a Smoky Mountain vacation, you know what I mean? So that was all part of it. We have 5 waterfalls here today. It's gonna be Bridal Vales, Dry Falls, so Bridal Veil Falls, Dry Falls, Abrams Falls, Laurel Falls, and Grotto Falls. All of them were relatively easy. Yeah, but we're gonna be grading them today on how easy they were, if they were actually worth it, and how I rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. How I rate the waterfall, not the hike, not the drive, nothing else, just the waterfall. So that being said, I will see you guys in the video. Alrighty, so guys, this is Bridal Veil Falls. This one was really easy to get to. I was asleep for most of the drive to Highland, North Carolina, where we had breakfast. But this one right here, probably 5-10 minutes from Highland, North Carolina. Very beautiful waterfall, definitely worth it. There was nobody here, but it was really early in the morning. It was like 9 in the morning. But it was definitely a worth it waterfall. Nobody there, so that's good. It was easy to get to, and I'd rate this one about a 7.5 to an 8, just because it wasn't like a big waterfall, you know what I mean? The next one we're about to go to is a pretty big waterfall, so I will see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, so we made it to Dry Falls. So you guys will see. What? Yeah, we were at Bridal Falls. We made it to Dry Falls. So you guys will see why it's called Dry Falls in a little bit. Alrighty guys, so this was Dry Falls. I really liked all the stuff I did here with the camera. This one was also really easy to get to, about 5 minutes away from Bridal Vales. I'd rate this one a 9 just because of how big the waterfall is. And also here, you want to get here early because there's not a lot of parking. So yeah, easy to get to, get here early. 9 out of 10. And it was a pretty easy hike down to the waterfall. So yeah, this one was definitely a must in the Nantahala Forest. I think I said it right. But yeah, I'll see you guys at Abrams. So guys, this one was also a very fun hike. It was 2.5 miles and it was 3 to 4 hours. It took my family about 3-ish hours. You know, we all kind of finished at the same time. This one was probably going to be one of my favorites. First, for the first reason, because it was like, I feel like, first of all, it was the longest hike that we've done. I got a lot of cool shots like this on the trail. And it was just a very nice trail. There was a river that followed you basically the whole way down to the waterfall, because I'm saying down. Yes guys, I'm saying down. Even though you think hikes are going up, or well, most hikes are going up, this one you gotta go up to like a little peak, like a lookout, and then you gotta go all the way down to where the waterfall is. You want to get there early solely because it's in Cades Cove and you have a possibility of seeing a bear in Cades Cove, so you want to get there early to either see the bear or to do this hike. This one is another one with limited parking. You could probably fit about 200 cars in the parking area, but that gets filled up very quick. We got there at around 8 in the morning and there was probably 30 cars, and we were there for about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, and I want to say there was like 150 cars already parked there. So it gets filled up very quick in the morning. As you can see, a lot of people like to get there early in the morning. The hike to the waterfall was a moderate hike. I don't know, there was something different about the hikes we did this time. We didn't really stop as much. We kind of just pushed through them. And when we went on hikes in our last trip, we were stopping a lot more. So I don't know what happened over quarantine, or well, I guess we were still kind of in quarantine, but I don't know what happened, but we started doing the hikes faster. The waterfall, I have to say, was a 10 out of 10 for Abrams Falls. The hike was worth it. The getting up early was worth it. The drive to it was a very easy place to get to. So yeah, hike was worth it. Waterfalls 10 out of 10, and getting there early was worth it. Very easy to get to, very accessible. And yeah, guys, this was probably, like I said, my favorite one of all time because of how big the waterfall was, how nice the hike was, and the possibility we could have seen a bear. That's what I was really excited about. But that being said, I'm gonna leave you guys here. We're gonna be going to Laurel Falls next. I will see you guys at Laurel Falls. Yo, look at that. Hey, this is how I get a from here. That's how I was saying. Guys, look at that. So guys, we made it to Laurel Falls. Alrighty guys, so this is Laurel Falls. I always do my thing with a sign right here. You guys even heard me say it in the video. But yeah, this one was a very easy hike. 30 minutes there, 30 minutes back, but it took us a little bit longer because me and my brother like went all the way up because there was like another hike that was after the waterfall. Very easy to get to, very easy hike. I enjoyed the hike actually. It was a very nice one. All these colors changed with the leaves and stuff. We don't get that here in Florida. The waterfall, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 just because this isn't what I was expecting. It is worth it, you know, because all these hikes are worth it, but the waterfall wasn't like a 10 out of 10 like wow experience. But yeah guys, that being said, I'm gonna leave you guys here to see the waterfall, and I will see you guys at Bridal Falls.
Bridal Falls.
Alrighty guys, so this is Bridal Falls. In one of my videos I said we did a lot of good deeds on this trip, and one of the good deeds on this trip was when we helped a guy who was stuck, like his car was stuck in a ditch and no one was helping him, like everyone was just driving by him, no one was helping him. So my brother, my dad, and I, we all decided to help him. And there was this other guy that was, I guess he was like with them, and he was trying to get them out, but he couldn't. So we got out, we helped them. It took us about 20-ish minutes. That definitely took a lot of our energy before the hike, but it was definitely worth it helping the guy. He had a family, it was his wife, and he had, I think, a kid or 2 kids. But yeah. It was really good to help someone. It made us happy, and yeah, I feel like it made everyone's day. It made his day, our day. But yeah, moral of the story, guys, help anyone, good karma. There's such thing as good karma. That being said, I will see you guys as we get closer to the top of Bridal Falls. So guys, like I was saying, we did a lot of good deeds. I already explained that to you guys. This hike was, it wasn't that hard of a hike. It just wasn't very maintained, and it had rained a lot that day, so it was very slippery. We were expecting something more, so I would give this one the same thing as Laurel Falls, a 6 out of 10. The parking and the accessibility for the hike and the waterfall to get to it. Parking, you need to get there early. There was barely any parking. It was really hard to find parking. We had to park on the side of the road. And yeah, the hike was very, I'd say, it was easy to get to from the parking. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys at that so you guys can enjoy the waterfall.
Wow, this is good. Yeah. It feels pretty full. We're gonna go chill over here, sit down, and wait for my parents. We're gonna wait for my parents. And if you guys are wondering why I look down so much when I'm walking, because I don't want to fall, guys. So leave me alone. Right? Leave me alone. That's the word of the day.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And all these hikes were definitely fun. The waterfalls were amazing. They looked very cool. Just Laurel Falls and Bridal Falls, it wasn't what we were expecting. But don't get me wrong, they were good waterfalls. You know, it's fun to do these hikes. And the only thing that I would have to say is bring water, bring snacks, and get to the hikes earlier, to the waterfalls early, because you never know how many people can be there that morning or that day. So it's definitely worth it to get to the hikes early. And yeah, that being said, like, subscribe down below, turn on the bell. Make sure you comment down below what you guys want to be called. G-Man Family, G-Man Gang, G-Man Squad, whatever you guys want to be called. Let me know down in the comments. I actually read the comments. I don't know if some of you have realized that, but I respond to you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.